Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating where ads originate and what controls the game exposes. Open the app settings and look for a one-time purchase or toggle to remove ads. That's the quickest route. If none exists, inspect which ad formats show and whether they come from a known network. This tells you if blocking or offline mode will work. Once done, log the app version and your device OS so you can target the correct method and avoid guesswork later. Now you choose the most appropriate removal technique. If a legitimate purchase exists, buy it, it's fast and fair. Otherwise, try airplane or offline mode to stop network ads, or set up a DNS ad block or firewall rule to prevent ad domains from loading. For advanced local control, modify the host's file or install a reputable VPN/adblock app that filters traffic per app. Make sure to restart the game after changes so the new network rules take effect. Finish by clearing the game cache and relaunching to confirm ads are gone. Sometimes assets persist until a restart. If you still see ads, investigate bundled SDKs or downloaded ad content and try more specific domain blocks or app-level rules. Make sure your changes didn't break functionality. If the game misbehaves, undo host's edits or disable the VPN filter, then test on a secondary device. One key tip: keep a backup so you can revert system changes quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.